We are pursuing BTech in KL deemed to be university in the discipline of computer science and engineering. As a part of enterprise programming course, we developed a web application. So the business system we selected for our project is admission management system. We named our website as College Sketch. Basically, we divided our project into three modules. First module is user module, second one is admin, and the third one is filters module. So this is the homepage of our website. User can log in or sign up through the buttons provided on the nav bar or buttons provided on the page. So once the user clicks on login, he'll be taken to login page. So this is our login page. We have a common login page for both admin and user. Based on the email ID provided by the user, he'll be taken to admin page or the user page. So in both the login and sign up pages, in the both the login and sign up pages, we provide validations using JavaScript to all the fields. So once the user enters all the fields and he clicks on login, he'll be taken to admin page. The admin module will be explained by our teammate.
Myself, Shivanaga Sai, and this is the homepage of the admin page, admin module. Here in admin module, we have five database actions: college database, universities database, internship database, user database, feedback database. Coming to college database and universities database and internships database, in user homepage, there will be displayed three homepages, three like college data, universities data, and internships data. When coming to the colleges data, universities data, and internship data, there are four actions: inserting the college data, deleting the college data, view all college data, update the college data. When we want to insert the college, we click insert data, and here it will ask when we provide some information about the institution name, institution location, and etc. When we insert the data will be inserted, and modified data will be able to see by the user. And coming to users data and feedback data, admin can see all the data about the users who are using our website and who are using our web application, and can see all the feedbacks which is given by the student. And when next coming to user page, my teammate will be explained.
This is Riaz and I will be explaining the user module. So once the user logins through login page, he'll be taken to user homepage. This is our user homepage. So in the homepage, we can see three cards which represents three categories. The first category is a set of students who are pursuing their BTech or completed their BTech. So the students who are pursuing BTech can click on the first card. He'll be able to see all the internships data available in our database. So for every internship, he will be able to see a no more button. Once he clicks on no more button, he'll be taken to the website of that particular company. From that website, he can apply to that internship. And coming to second card, this second card represents the second category, which is a set of students who completed their intermediate and want to join a university for their BTech or higher graduation. So once the students click on explore, he will be able to see all the university data that is available in our database. So here we represented all the universities in the form of cards. So every card has a no more. Once the user clicks on no more button, he will be able to see more information about that particular university. For example, he can see location of the university, director of the university, and also he can see minimum inside rank and minimum mains rank required to take admission in this college. And all the primary data about the university will be displayed in this page. And also on the nav bar, we have filters. For example, let's consider MSET filter. Once the user clicks on MSET, he can filter the colleges according to the MSET rank he gained in the exam. So once the user enters his MSET rank and clicks on search, we'll be able to see the universities which are having minimum MSET rank of 45,000. If user enters data in both the fields, the user will be able to see colleges whose MSET rank is between those two values. So that is the second category, and from third category, our teammate will continue.
I am Gopi. I am here to explain third category. Third category is for students who completed 10th standard. User can explore all the colleges which was there in our database. Student can filter, can click on no more, and can able to see all details like location, director of the college, and the details which was present in this, like fee, number of students placed in IIT or NIT in last year, top MCET ranks, and college timings, contact number. The details, these are the details presented here, and we have added an filter based on branch which a user can select like MPC. If he selects MPC, then the colleges based on MPC will be listed here, and we can click on no more to see details of that college. Here in this menu bar, we have added view profile. When we click on view profile, we can see our profile page. A user can see his profile. When we click on change password, user can change his password or reset his password. When we click on feedback, a user can send feedback about this web application. When we click on about us, our details will be shown here as we are the team developed this project, and each of them are given their LinkedIn accounts, LinkedIn connections. When we click on that LinkedIn, the connection page will be shown. And finally, when we click on logout, we will be logged out successfully.
So this is our entire project. Thanking our entire team and thanking Surya Kiran sir for giving suggestions and best guidance throughout the project.